In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable autosave in Krita. If you've ever lost progress because of a crash or a power outage, you know how frustrating it can be. Today, we'll make sure that doesn't happen again by turning on Krita's built-in autosave. It's quick to set up and gives you peace of mind while you paint or illustrate. Start by opening Krita on your computer. Once it's up, look to the menu bar at the top of the screen. Open the Settings menu. On some systems, especially Mac OS, these options may appear under the application menu as Preferences, but the idea is the same. We want the configuration panel that lets us adjust how Krita behaves. Choose Configure Krita. This opens a window with a list of categories on the left. From that sidebar, select File Handling. This section controls how your files are saved, loaded, and recovered, and it's where the autosave option lives. Inside File Handling, find the checkbox labeled Enable Autosaving. Make sure this box is checked. That's the key setting. With autosave enabled, Krita will periodically write recovery information for your open documents so you can restore your work if something unexpected happens. Think of it as a safety net that runs in the background. While you're here, take a moment to glance at the autosave timing options if they're visible in your version of Krita. A shorter interval means more frequent recovery points, which can be helpful on complex projects. A longer interval reduces background activity. Choose what feels right for your workflow. Just remember, autosave is about recovery. Your main project file still depends on you saving it. Get in the habit of pressing Ctrl+S or Command+S regularly to keep your master file up to date. After confirming that Enable Autosaving is checked, you can close the configuration window. That's it. You're done. From now on, if Krita or your system has a hiccup, you'll have a recent recovery available when you reopen the program. You may notice temporary autosave files in your project folder. That's normal and part of how the recovery process works. To recap, you opened Krita, went into Settings, chose Configure Krita, navigated to File Handling, and enabled autosaving. This small adjustment can save hours of work and a lot of stress. Keep creating with confidence, knowing your progress is protected. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, consider turning on autosave in any other creative tools you use and keep your project safe as you work.